Alrighty, we're back, man. We're rolling. We've got it. As you can see, the color of shingles were not. They weren't a direct match. But you know, sometimes that happens when you're trying to get shingles. When you're trying to get shingles, uh, especially shingles that are a few years old, and you try and go back and you try and get, a match. These ones actually match the ones on the other part of the roof. Now that I'm looking at them.
Yep.
Yeah. But it don't matter, eh? This is the way I see it.
Nobody sees them but airplanes.
Yeah, well, exactly. The airplane pilots are the only ones seeing your roof. It's not like anybody on the ground seeing your roof. And what I noticed, which was pretty funny, is, let's see here. We're just doing a little wrap up here. I don't have an old one, but these new shingles, I kid you not, they are 3/4 of an inch narrower, like from top to bottom, than these ones that are up here. And it kind of makes you wonder if, are they cheesing us out on shingles now? Like shrinkflation? Like, I mean, they've done it with all kinds of stuff, man. Everywhere you go, your fast food joints, your burgers are smaller. Your grocery stores, your potato chips. It's like potato chips used to be like, a 500-gram bag of potato chips. Now you're getting like 250 for the same freaking price, man. Shrinkflation, and I think they're doing it with shingles now, too. But anyhow, we got it wrapped up. My dad's got a few little things. He's got a couple little holes. You can see kind of where he had a tarp up here. And he's got little screw holes. And he's going to come up tomorrow when it's actually a little hotter. And he's got his bucket of tar. He's going to tar it up. I wish I could show you over the face. So this is a very low slope roof over top of a flat roof. And you got to see in that corner where the flat roof was. But out on the face of the wall, it's wood. It's cracked. And we get most of our driving rain and weather from the northwest. And yeah, we need to do something with that. Maybe the camera girl can swing over, but we really need to do something with this board. And even the wall, if you look at the brick, even the brick is getting deteriorated from the water. The water gets in there in the winter, it freezes, pushes the bricks around, and I think what we're going to do is we're going to do like an aluminum fascia board cap, and maybe even strap down the wall a wee bit. And we'll do like a brown so it matches the rest of the house. But yeah, hanging over the roof really sucks. That sucks. But there you go, man. I told you I'd come back. And I know it's short. Yeah, there's still some tools up here. My dad will probably just leave his drill up here. There's some bits and pieces, but hopefully what we did, we're not... we fixed up. There was a big hole. There was like a big dip right here. Right about here. And I don't know... We don't know if it was leaking or the water was running back under the shingles because it is such a low slope. It's almost flat. But I think the majority of the issue was what you saw earlier underneath there. But I'm not going to go on and on. We're just going to keep this short and sweet. But there you go, man. Yeah, I do construction too. Doesn't matter, man. Oh, there's Mad Max. He's with us. Framing, roofing, wiring, plumbing, it doesn't matter. I do it all. I always have. But there you have it, man. I know it was short, it was sweet. I want to keep it that way. Camera girl's freezing. She wants to get back to the shop and light the wood stove and probably drink some more beers along with myself. But yeah, there you have it, man. Sharp Customs, you know the routine. Peace, I'm out.